Most people fail this 50-question general knowledge test. Only 1% can reach the final score without mistakes. How many questions can you answer correctly? Let's begin. One bit. What was the first toy to be advertised on television? Mr. Potato Head. In which country were the Arabic numerals 0 to 9 actually? India. What is the tiny piece of plastic at the end of a shoelace called? Aglet. Which planet in our solar system spins clockwise? Retrograde rotation. Venus. What is the only edible food that never goes bad? Honey. What color is a polar bear's skin under its fur? Black. Alright, which country has the most islands in the world? Sweden. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? Roald Amundsen. What is the rarest blood type in humans? A, B, O/RH. A, B negative. Which company was originally called Cadabra? Amazon. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three. What is the national animal of Scotland? Unicorn. Which element has the chemical symbol W? Tungsten. What was the first soft drink in space? Coca-Cola. Which bird is the only one that can fly backward? Hummingbird. What is the dot over the letter I or J called? Tittle. In which year did the Titanic sink? 1912. What is the fear of long words known as? Hippopotomonstrosis squipdaliophobia. Like, which fruit is radioactive, containing potassium 40? Banana. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the loudest animal on Earth relative to its size? Water boatman. Right, which chess piece can only move diagonally? Bishop. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
Diamond.
Which TV show is set in the fictional city of Westeros? Game of Thrones. What represents the letter O in the Morse code?
Three dashes.
How many players are there in a standard soccer team on the sure, East. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What is the capital city of Australia?
Canberra. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen.
What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which organ in the human body can regenerate itself? Liver. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which famous physicist developed the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which mammal has the most powerful bite? Hippopotamus.
How many colors are there in a rainbow? Seven.
Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver.
Which instrument has 88 keys?
Piano. What is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. Which blood type is known as the universal donor?
O negative.
Who is the author of the Harry Potter series?
J.K. Rowling.
Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit?
(32°F).
Which animal sleeps standing up? Horse.
What is the longest river in the world? Nile River.
Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere?
Carbon dioxide.
How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. If you scored high, your brain is seriously powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.